this question there, for this one. Do you see? But now here's guys another question. Find the area ABCD. How do you get guys the area there? How do you get the area? So finding the area guys, now it will be kind of tricky. Now we know that this thing it's here. Let me just come and put this thing here, centimeter. So for you to find the area here, now you should be smart. First of all, understand guys, what is the area, by the way? What is the area? Let me just tell you this diagram here, make you to understand the area now. Guys, when I'm talking about the area, I'm talking about the space guys, which is covered by the by the shape there, which is 35, that's 1, that's B, 8 centimeter, A, that's 12 centimeter, 10, that's 1, and D, then here it's C. But now these two, I know them, this centimeter, even I also know this thing. So when I'm talking guys about the area, I'm talking about all the space which will be covered by this shape there, all that space there which will be covered by the shape there, all that space there, that is what you call the area, the region guys which is covered by this shape there. So I have to get the area of ABCD, all that space there which is covered by that shape. How do you get that guys? So for this one there, you should be smart. What I can do, I can start by finding the area of this thing, looking the area of this shape. Do you see? Then after getting the area of that, I can also get the area of this one now, of this then. Once I got the area of this and area of that, I'll just add those two areas. They will tell me all the space which is covered by that shape there. Because this triangle, it covers this shape, and this triangle there, it covers that shape. So straightforward guys. For this one there, everything now it's easy. I can start by saying that area of triangle ABD, which is just half there. Then now you multiply. Remember, you apply the area guys if you got side angle side. So here you should multiply these two sides which form that angle. So those two sides guys which form that angle, these are side angle side, meaning those are these two sides. It will just be AB multiplied by AD, and say sine the angle, now it must be A there. So now I can just substitute guys here, which is sine. So substituting here that's 110, but for this one it's what? AB it's 8, then AD it's 12. So straightforward guys, there you can just use your calculator to get that area. So finding this area there with my calculator, it's half, and say multiply by 8 and 12, and say now sine 110. So straightforward there, it means that here I'll just get 45,105, then 2 centimeters squared. Don't forget that all the time when you calculate the area, you should just put that squared there. So now I know the area of this triangle, of all of this one, for only this triangle guys, this triangle only for this one. I know the area of that triangle. So now let me get the area of this one. For me now guys, to get the area of this one here, I should be smart there. The only information that I will look, I can only focus this thing there. If I can know side angle side, but now I don't know that angle. For me to know that angle, since I got two angles, it means I can get the other angle. If you got two angles, you can get another angle, sum of angles in a triangle. So let's apply that. So this thing, it's a condition, by the way. So this thing there, it's a condition. So it means that I can just say to you B1 plus C plus D1. They give me 180 degree. Sum angles in triangle give me 180 degree. Yeah, sum of angles in a triangle give me 180 degree. And now what I can do there, I can just substitute them, meaning this thing there, it's 35 plus our C, that's 95 plus that theta I don't know. So straightforward, this is what I will do. 35 minus 95 D1. So let me just press my calculator, guys. So pressing this calculator, it's something like this. They separate, so it means that I'll just get 50. That 50, it is the angle which is here. Here there is 50 here, 50 degree. So if now I know side, angle, side, remember, according to our condition, side, angle, side. If you got that thing, it means that you can get the area. How do you get now the area? You just say now the area of triangle BCD. It will be half. You multiply these two sides which form that angle. Those two sides, guys, which form this angle, it will just be BD multiplied by what? By CD, and say sine. Put the angle which is formed by these two sides. That angle there, that's D1. Do you see? And now what I can do, guys, I can just substitute them. Let me substitute here, which is this thing there, it's something like sine BD. Where is BD? That thing there, it's BD. That thing there, it's 16. This thing there, it's 16, 54. But here that's 9,52 there. But now for this one there, it's just 50 there. Here it will just be 50. So I can just press all of these things, guys, from my calculator, which is this thing there, it's something like this then, and say 9,52 sine 50. So it means here I will get 60,310 and say 98 or 9, yeah, centimeter squared. So make sure, guys, if you are not yet done calculating, just leave your answer there in 4 decimal. You can even do 4 decimal or 5, it's up to you, but don't make it in 2 decimal place if you are not yet done calculating. Do you see? Okay, so now what I can do, I know these two areas. Those two areas, guys, are the area for this triangle and the area of that triangle. The area of that triangle. Do you see? So if I can ask you a question, I know, guys, I'm not yet done. If I can ask you a question, between these two triangles, which one is big? In this case there, you can say is this one there, because its area it's big, meaning that this one there, it covers a big space than that one. This, it covers a big space than this one. Do you see? Area, guys, it is the space which is covered by the shape. So it means that this one there, it's bigger than this there. So as you can see, there area. But now, guys, the question there, it asked you to calculate the area of ABCD. So for you to get that area now, you'll add these two areas so that you'll get the space which is covered by ABCD. So meaning this thing there will be like this, the 99. So our final answer, let me just add these two things using my calculator. So 45,02 plus 60 plus 13 plus 99. Yeah, so it means that this thing there, it's a space which is covered by a big shape. Now round it off to 2 decimal place. That's a final answer. Do you see? Yeah. So such question like this one, guys, you should just know them. How do you get the area? And remember, this thing, guys, it started from here. Make sure that you understand those questions. How do you get the side? Do your screenshot them and understand, guys, how do you get the what? The area there. So it means that all of this thing there, the space, all of this thing area, it is this one. the space, or I can say the region which is covered by this thing, it is this one there, or that space there which is covered by this thing. I don't know, guys, which way can I make you to understand, because I try by my best, but just try to watch the next lesson there, lesson after lesson, yeah, to get better understanding. So thank you guys for your time. All the best on your studies. God bless you.